Best Impact Driver in 2020. Number 1. DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill Combo Kit, 2-tool, DCK240C2. Number 2. DEWALT 20V Max X Arm Pack Driver Kit, Brushless, 3-speed, 1/4 inch, tool only, DCF887B. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Impact Driver Kit, BDCI20C. Number 4. DEWALT 20V Max Impact Driver Kit, 1/4 inch, DCF885C1. Number 5. Porter Cable 20V Max Cordless Drill Combo Kit and Impact Driver, 2-tool, PCCK604L2. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe.